In this video, we will go over how to use browse classes and all the ways that you can narrow your search when doing so. Let's first show you how to access this resource. First, you will need to navigate to your SEMO portal by going to my.semo.edu. From your dashboard, you can locate the Browse Classes feature by clicking on the Advising Toolkit for Students from the taskbar on the left-hand side. From there, you can select the registration landing page, then select Browse Classes. This will open a new page and require you to input the term for your search. For example, I will select Fall 2026 using the drop-down options, then select Continue. You can now view the Browse Classes search screen. Here, you can search by subject, course number, or keyword. We recommend selecting the Advanced Search option to further refine your search. Once selected, this opens more attributes that you can search by when using this tool. In the advanced search, there are many more options that may seem intimidating, but don't worry, we will review what each one does. Also, you do not need to fill out every field for your search to work. Going down the list, the subject box allows you to input one or more subjects that you would like the courses in your search to cover. The course number box allows you to enter a specific course number. Keywords allows you to input a specific word from the course title. The instructor box allows you to search by professor by entering their name or using the drop-down options. The attribute section has many options to choose from to help narrow your search. I will review some common attributes you may want to utilize this box for, including blended or course delivery options, general education requirements, honors contract, and course options, and more. The campus box allows me to select the campus that my course will occur on. Please note that online classes count as their own campus called web-based. The course level box allows you to specify if you are wanting to search for undergraduate courses, graduate courses, or anything in between. The part of term box allows you to specify the time period for courses, such as first 8-week, second 8-week, or full semester courses. You can also put in a credit range to ensure that you are searching for specific credit hour requirements. Further down, you can select specific course meeting days and time ranges to view in your search. Finally, you can select Open Sections Only checkbox to view sections that have enrollment seats open or waitlist seats open. Now that we know what each tool does, let's look for some courses in an example search. For this search, I want to figure out what general education, humanities, and fine arts courses are offered on the main campus or web-based. To begin, I will click the attribute box and select Gen Ed, Humanities, and Fine Arts. Next, I will click in the campus box and select main campus and web-based. Lastly, I will select the Open Sections Only checkbox to see more open sections. As you can see, I have left some boxes blank as I did not need to filter those sections. After hitting the search button, you will be shown a list of classes that fit your criteria. Always make sure to double check that the course information listed fits with your criteria, as misclicks can always occur. From this screen, you can view the CRN, course codes, titles, instructors, meeting times, campus, status, schedule type, and attributes. You can adjust the table view as needed by sliding the divider lines to make sections bigger. To view additional information about the course, click on the underlined course title. This opens a header with additional information and resources regarding the specific course. You can use the tabs on the left to click between the additional options. Some important tabs include course descriptions and prerequisites, instructor meeting times, co-requisites, and any fees. It is also possible that there will be no classes that fit your search. If this is the case, please make sure that there are no conflicting filters. If there are none, you may need to loosen your search criteria in order to see results. We hope this video has been helpful in furthering your understanding of the Browse Classes resource. If you have any troubles accessing this tool or finding courses that work for you, feel free to reach out to your academic advisor or the Academic Advising office.